Air fryer French fries. That's what we're making today. Now, you can make these with regular potatoes or sweet potatoes. I haven't made them with sweet potatoes, but I would imagine they would turn out just great. So here's what you're gonna need for these. Real super easy ingredient list and easy to do. You're gonna need a couple potatoes. I'm using Trader Joe's onion salt. This does a great job of flavoring them with just a little bit of olive oil. Now, I'm going to cut my fries with this handy dandy gadget here. If you don't have one, you want to try and get your French fries as uniformly cut as possible. So with this gadget, look how nice that cuts the fries. So I'm making a small batch today, and there we go. We got our potatoes. Now I'm going to dump these in a pan. And you don't have to do this, but I like to rinse the starch off the potatoes. So I'm going to rinse these, and then we're going to oil them and season them with Trader Joe's onion salt. So we're just going to rinse these. I like to rinse them twice. So if you look at all the starch in there. I like to rinse that off the potato. It just makes a cleaner French fry. Like I said, we do this twice. And back to the counter. Alright, so we rinse fries. I like to do it in this bowl because I can shake them easier. So, a little bit of olive oil. Mix that in good. You just want to make sure that your French fries are covered pretty good. So, a little more olive oil. And Trader Joe's. Now a lot of the seasoning rubs off, so I like to put a little extra. That way I don't have to salt them after the fact. I like the salt to just cook right on them. So that looks pretty good right there. Now let's get these to the air fryer. Alright, we get these right in the air fryer. Now I just dumped them in. What we want to do is kind of spread them out just a little bit in here. We're going to get our lid on. We're going to hit air fry, 380 for 25 minutes and start. Now, we're going to turn these and flip them about halfway just to make sure we get all sides covered well. I know it's an air fryer and it kind of moves, but I like to shake them and at least free them up from the bottom of the pan. So 13 minutes approximately, we'll get these shaken. Alright, with 12 minutes left, we're going to get this lid off. And I promised you we were going to shake these. These are starting to look really good there. So we just want to give them a good shake. Make sure they're not stuck. And kind of just spread them back out. And that's it. With this air fryer, we just put the lid back on. And it starts right back up. This is the Instapot air fryer. Alright, so the air fryer French fries are done. Take a look at those. Alright, so these things look delicious. Take a good look at these. Now, the only extra thing we need here is whatever you garnish your fries with. I like a little ketchup. Or a lot of ketchup. And I'm going to put a little of this stuff on here because my wife loves this yum yum sauce. It's actually a Japanese steak, chicken, shrimp dressing. So basically it's a jack of all trades of Japanese sauce. So let's get a taste of these fries. I'm not going to go with the yum yum sauce. I'm going to go with the old standby ketchup. I like a lot of ketchup. Now, I gotta tell you, I'm not really a French fry lover. Like if I go to McDonald's, I'll eat a couple fries. Normally, any kind of restaurant, I'll eat a couple fries while they're hot. That's it. These right here, I can smash some French fries. So I hope you try them. I hope yours turn out as good as mine did. I'm gonna finish this plate off. Actually, with this yum yum sauce, my wife's gonna help me, but we are gonna finish this plate of French fries. And I hope to see you back. I appreciate you watching. Click that thumbs up, like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.